What's up everyone, this is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of ghost/inactive followers on your Instagram account. So be sure to watch all the way until the end to see how to do this by step-by-step tutorial. So getting right into this, there's an app on the iOS and I believe Android App Store as well called Unfollow. I will leave a link in the description below for you guys to obviously download it and check it out. It's a free app. There's just ads which might play in the video, so I apologize already in advance for them. So in this app, it actually shows you a couple of things: who you're following and who's following you. So like who's your followers basically. And there's a couple of things where you can do. I'm using my gaming channels account to kind of like show what you can and can't do over here. So in the following section, you can actually see and get everyone who's like a non-follower, who's basically not following you back, ghost users and inactive users as well. But we're going to do mostly specifically for people who are like your followers. Like, the reason for this is if you have 100 followers and only 10 of them are liking your stuff on a daily basis, that other 90 is worthless. And what I mean by that is nothing wrong with them. It's just they may be inactive now, they may be spam, they may be bot. And the Instagram algorithm, or in general these softwares and companies' algorithms, they don't like it when you have a large following list but not that much interaction ratio happening. 10% is actually pretty good, but just putting into perspective that they don't care or like that. And it kind of hurts your chances of kind of blowing up on IG if that's what you're, trying to do. So what you can actually do over here is when you click into the select button, you can actually select all, or you can actually select certain people. The first thing I always mention is like you click list and do load all. I just have such a small listing, so it doesn't matter. I don't need to do that. But if you click that, and I can, let's just say, select non-following, and it's going to actually see all 20 are non-following. Like, I'm not following any of them, but that's not the one we're going to go for. We're going for specifically ghost following or inactive users. So if you look at this one, 17 users from this, I don't know, I guess those, I don't even know where the third one is. Oh, right there. They don't apparently, they follow me to that point. What you can then do is in actions, you can actually block them, add to whitelist so they don't get blocked, because maybe there's certain people or friends or someone you don't want to block, or you can remove them from a whitelist if they're already there. I can literally click the block button and boom, those followers will then be blocked. Now there's certain ratios that are used to find out who are ghost followers, inactive, and you can click in here, you can see, oh, the people who didn't comment or like the past 50 posts. Maybe you want to make it 100, or maybe custom to like 1,000. There's intervals as well. For inactive users, you want to do 30, 60, 90 days, etc., etc. You can kind of change the listing and rating from that to get what you need. And obviously, this is actually a very good and useful tool to kind of, again, weed out the fake and inactive followers that you don't need. They suck. You don't need them in your life. You don't need that kind of negativity. So yeah, you can actually just use this. Again, it's a very cool app, very useful app, and I'd actually highly recommend you to get it. It's free. You don't need to do anything. It's just ads that pop up. Who cares? Let them pop up, and then you kind of just go from there. So yeah, that's basically how you guys do it. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. More than happy to help you guys out. If you overall like this video, please smash that like button. Helps a lot. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, more tutorials out. Peace.